Hey everybody, Jacob with Scooter's Lawn Care here in Springfield, Illinois. Today we are talking about our lawn fertilization packages and all of the things that come with our application packages, how you can get discounts, and why getting the pricing and everything figured out, accepted, and scheduled early is so important. So let's get right into this video because the time is right around the corner where we're going to start our first round of lawn applications to ensure you have a beautiful lawn this season. And so why it's important, firstly, to figure this stuff out early and get an estimate accepted is right now you can still prepay and receive a discount for all the services that you've packaged together for qualifying services. And as far as services that fall under our application kind of umbrella of services, you have your lawn fertilization, weed control, bed maintenance, which is maintaining and making sure there's no weeds in your beds. This is a monthly service. It's really, really crucial if you want to keep your beds looking clean. Our perimeter pest control, our ornamental fertilization packages, the list of things we can do to ensure your property stays nice. That's an application, just goes on and on and on. The final piece of that, though, that we like to talk about that is crucial throughout the season to ensure your lawn is getting thick and vibrant is aeration and overseeding. One of the best ways to prevent weeds in general is a thick stand of grass that shades the surface of the soil so you don't have new weeds emerging. So these are all things that if you're packaging together, you can get a discount. Next, why this is so important to get figured out early and get started on is with our applications. Two of those are lawn care first application and our bed maintenance first application. Both use pre-emergent. And it is so crucial to get pre-emergent down early in the year. That's why you'll see us starting mid-February, making sure that everyone is taken care of so we get as much time as possible for the people who are adding on to get their pre-emergent down. And why is that so important? Pre-emergent is the main piece making sure if you have a lawn care application program that you don't have crabgrass or any of those other unsightly weeds, because you are actually stopping them before they emerge, before the seed can start to grow this season. And to do that, you have to put the application down early enough for water to activate it and then create the barrier along the soil so things cannot germinate. And you have to do this all before the soil temperature hits 55. So if you are taking a while to get an application package started because you don't know what you want to do, and someone gets started and they put pre-emergent down after soil temperature has reached 55, you are already having germination or the start of germination of weeds and unsightly things you do not want in your lawn. It's not a fix all and eliminate all, but it is one of the things when you see crabgrass preventer on a bag, it's one of the things that you put out that is crucial to have a nice lawn during the season. It's one of the things you have to put out and get started early. Now we also implement this in bed maintenance programs so we can keep down as many weeds as possible and then spray throughout the season. So both of those applications, getting started early is extremely important so you ensure that that barrier is created at the top of the soil so you get to prevent as many weeds as possible from emerging in the first place. We like to try to get ahead of it. And so you'll see us out very early February. You'll see us out when there's leaves on the ground still and maybe even there's a dusting of snow, because snow will only help water in, and if there's leaves or anything on the lawn, it's not a big issue because fertilizer prills will just shake right down through whatever is on the lawn, and then will still get watered in with snow or rain. And that's what you're looking for. You're looking for the time for that to get watered in and that barrier to be created. Now, finally, the last reason it's so important to get started early is because our schedule starts exploding once everyone realizes, wow, people are out doing fertilization. People are getting going for the year. And March 1st, everyone is full-fledged. A lot of people are starting in February, but by March 1st, everybody is out getting fertilizer down, getting that first round taken care of, and it's very easy to get put on the list, and that list just grow, and then you get put on, and you're further out. You're pushing further and further up to that 55-degree window. So a lot of benefits of getting started early, getting some benefit on some discount for the year, packaging all those services, and knowing what you've got set out for the entire year so you can have a beautiful lawn. We look forward to working with you, and we're excited for another year of beautiful green lawns.